In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create free website on Silex. Let's get started right from your browser. Head over to silex.me. This is a free visual website builder that lets you design with drag and drop, so you won't need to write code to get a clean, professional result. When the site loads, look for the Create Website button and click it. You'll be prompted to give your website a name. Pick something simple and descriptive so you can recognize it later. You can always update the title as your project evolves. After typing the name, click Create to spin up your project. You'll now see your newly created site in the list. Click on it to open the Silex editor. This is your workspace. On the canvas in the middle, you'll design your pages, and the tool panels around it help you add and organize content. To start building, look to the left and click the plus icon. This opens the block library. Blocks are the building pieces of your site. Things like text, images, buttons, and sections. Add a few essentials to the canvas and position them where they belong. You can resize elements by dragging their handles and use alignment guides to keep everything tidy. If you make a mistake, use undo to quickly step back. As you build, you can also add symbols and pages from this area. Symbols are reusable components like a header or footer that you design once and reuse across multiple pages. Update the symbol once and it refreshes everywhere, which saves time and keeps your site consistent. Pages let you create different views for your site, like Home, About, or Contact, and switch between them as you design. Keep page names short and clear to make navigation intuitive. To stay organized, open the Layers panel. Here you can see every element on the current page, rename items to find them faster, and drag them up or down to control what sits in front. Group related elements to move them together, and lock important pieces so they don't shift accidentally while you edit. Next, refine your typography by adding fonts. Choose readable fonts for body text and a distinctive but clean option for headings. Keep contrast high and font sizes comfortable so your content is accessible on both desktop and mobile. When you're happy with how everything looks, click Publish. Follow the on-screen prompts and let Silex build and push your site live. You can come back anytime, make changes, and publish again to update your site. And that's it. You've created a free website on Silex.